Okay, we're out here with the 2014 F-150. This my parents, and they said that the wipers are randomly coming on. Come on and jack with the switch, and sometimes they'll turn off, sometimes they won't. I had the same issue with my pickup, so pretty much know what it is. Super quick fixed. $25 for the part. We'll get in here, we'll get it changed. Basically, just the switch here on the column. We'll change that out, and it's super easy to change out. So we'll bring you in here and let you see what it takes, and we'll get that pulled out and then put it back together and get them going again. All right, here we go. Okay, so first thing first, I get in here and turn the steering wheel so we can get to a couple tabs here. Will allow us to pop this cover off. All right, we'll tab right here and hook that right up. Allows that to come up. There we go. Pop loose and up and out of the way. Now, there's on the top and bottom of this, there's a T10 Torx bolt there. Take that out. Lower one's a little harder to get to because, like, you can't, there's 3 screws down here you can take off and pull this down, or you can just kind of move it out of the way. Maybe I'm gonna, nope, I'm gonna have to pop that off. All right, so get under here. Pull those loose. You can almost get to it without doing this. Hold on. Alright, it takes 7:30 seconds down here. And there's 3 of them at the very bottom here. Alright, I'll just stick the one loose and it opens it up enough. Get in there, pull this out. Get my fingers in there. Hold on. There. Couldn't get my fingers in there. Grab a hold of this little screw. Pull it out. Pull it out. Just pull right up. Come on. Okay. Yeah. That comes out right on out. The controls for the pedals is hanging up on it. Anyway, got our new one. Thing looks the same. Slide it in there. Plug it right back in. Push that pedal right back up in there. Get our screw. Get this thing started. Pushing all the way up in. There you go. Took a little pressure, got it in there. Now let's screw in. There we go. All right. Put our screw in from the bottom. We'll be done. I'll make this other one loosened off a little bit. Now, push back on. Wipers work. Turn off. Blinker works. Blinker works. Beams work. Alright, everything works. We're back together. Alright, that's it. Simple as that. Pretty simple project. And fix a big headache, because that's annoying when your wipers are randomly going, won't completely shut off. So And now they'll be able to enjoy it again. All right, we'll talk to you later. Now make sure y'all hit that like button, hit the subscribe, share this with friends. I'll talk to you later. Bye.